The Alibag police on Wednesday morning detained Republic television editor Arnab Goswami from his Mumbai house in connection with the death of interior designer Anvay Naik and his mother Kumud Naik in 2018. A senior police official has confirmed that Goswami has been arrested. This comes at a time when TRP scam investigation against Goswami is going on in Mumbai. This case goes back to 2018 when a 53-year-old interior designer Anvay Naik and his mother Kumud Naik died by suicide in Alibag in May 2018. A suicide note purportedly written by Anvay was found in which he said that Goswami and two others, Firoz Sheikh and Nitesh Sarda, had not paid him rupees 5.40 crore, which led to his financial constraints. In 2018, the Alibag police had filed a case of abetment to suicide, but in 2019, the case was closed by Raigad police. Anvay was the managing director of the Concorde Designs Private Limited, which renders some services for Republic. Naik's mother was also in the board of directors of the company. Anvay's wife Akshata lodged a complaint against Arnab Goswami as the suicide note contained his name along with the others. The Republic TV at the time quashed the allegations of non-payment and attributed this to malicious campaign. It had claimed that all amounts due and payable under the contract were paid by Republic TV to Concorde Designs. Goa CM Dr. Pramod Sawant condemned the high-handed action against Arnab Goswami, says it's an attack on free press. CM Dr. Pramod Sawant took to social media and said the following: "The high-handed action against Arnab Goswami is an attack on free press and I strongly condemn the same. This is an abuse of power by the Maharashtra government which is politically motivated. Hashtag India with Arnab." Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.